Ecosystems.
Cullen, do you want to go with me?
Where are we going, Uncle Rod?
We are going to catch fish and crabs.
That's interesting. I'm going to bring a bucket so that we have a container to put the fish and crabs that we will catch. Where are we, Uncle Rod?
This is a mangrove forest. This is also known as a mangrove swamp ecosystem.
What do you mean by an ecosystem, Uncle Rod?
An ecosystem is a community where living things interact with each other and with their environment. Later you will see different interactions of living things. Look around you, Cullen. What living thing is most abundant here?
The mangrove trees.
You are right, Cullen. Mangrove trees are abundant in this ecosystem. Do you know how important mangrove trees are for other organisms living here?
I'm not sure, Uncle Rod.
Mangrove trees are the producers in this ecosystem. They provide food for other animals.
Oh, that is right. The leaves of the mangrove trees can be food for other animals. But wait, which animals eat the leaves of the mangrove trees?
Look at the river floor. What do you see?
I see some crabs and crablets.
Right, they are the consumers in this ecosystem. Consumers are animals that consume the producer and/or another consumer.
Are those the only roles that organisms take in an ecosystem?
There are two more, the scavengers and the decomposers.
How are they different?
Scavengers are animals that eat dead animals, while decomposers feed on dead animals and turn them into organic matter.
Are we considered consumers, Uncle Rod?
Yes, definitely. And later, we are going to consume whatever it is that we will catch here.
Ho, Uncle Rod, did you see that?
Which one?
I saw a crab eating the leaves of the mangrove tree, and suddenly, a bird appeared and it ate the crab.
Ah, that is an example of a food chain.
Food chain. What do you mean by food chain?
A food chain is a series of eaten and being eaten relationship in an ecosystem.
How is a food chain different from food web, Uncle?
A food web means that an organism in a food web can be a prey or a predator in two or more food chains that have been interconnected.
Do you hear that, Uncle Rod?
Yes, Cullen.
Why are they cutting down mangrove trees?
They are cutting down the mangrove trees because they will sell them as firewood.
What? Would that be okay?
Of course not, Cullen. It may affect the ecosystem. Aside from the cutting of trees, activities like irresponsible mining, deforestation, quarrying, illegal fishing, and wildlife trafficking are some of the human activities that affect ecosystems.
That is sad, Uncle.
I agree with you, Cullen. That is why I want you to share with your friends the reasons for taking care of ecosystems.
I will, Uncle.
I'm proud of you, Cullen.
Thank you, Uncle Rod.